Okay, to solve the trig equation, first thing you need to do is think about what quadrant you're in. And here we're looking for what angle is the sine value going to be the square root of 2 over 2. And so we're looking for where sine is going to be a positive. And that's in quadrants 1 and what? Good. All right, so we're going to have two answers here. So we're going to have our quadrant 1 answer. And we're going to have a quadrant 2 answer. Well, our angle is x, so I'm going to put x equals. What is sine, x or y? Okay, so the next thing will be to determine trig function in terms of x or y. So we said that sine is y. So we want to know in quadrant 1, where is the y value going to be the square root of 2 over 2? Okay, so I don't know where I was at there. But we're looking in quadrant 1 now.
Okay, were you recording while you were yelling at him?
No, I wasn't. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is find the angle values in the quadrants. Alright, so in quadrant 1, where is my y value, the square root of 2 over 2? Yeah, so nothing else. Think about your hand. Alright. You need y to have a 2, so it's that angle there, which is the square root, is what? Pi over 4. Now, on this problem here, if you look at the previous slide, it does not tell us like we're restricted from 0 to 2 pi. So we're going to put plus, what is the period for sine? 2 pi. So we're going to put plus 2 pi n. Because it's going to equal, this function will equal the square root of 2 over 2 every time I hit that point in every rotation. So there's going to be one of my solutions. And now in quadrant 2, well, you already told me the quadrant 1 was pi over 4, which remember your quadrant 1 angle is your reference angle, isn't it? So over in quadrant 2, actually I'll put this over there by it. Over here in quadrant 2, I have this angle here that I'm after, but I know its reference angle right there is pi over 4. So I can take pi minus pi over 4, and what do we get?
3 pi over 4.
Very good. And so my angle is going to be x is equal to 3 pi over 4. And again, we're not restricted. The period for sine is 2 pi, and we're going to put an n there. And so there is our second solution.